Morning guys, it's Chris from thedaxtrader.co.uk and it is the 5th of February 2019. This is the DAX technical analysis. The trading disclaimer applies and it's in the description below. Please read that before you proceed. Alright, so on the daily chart, again, look at this, we've still got the same situation that we've had yesterday, and this is now 6 coming up 7 consecutive days where we have started to I think this is the 5th, yeah it is, 7 consecutive days where we've started to close and open all in the same area. So this is a clear value area that's developing at the moment, but it's also quite a range, consolidation range that we're developing. It's only 80 points now that's starting to compress down to. So we've got to look at the options of where it's going to go from here, and whilst price is happy doing business in this zone, there will get into price discovery mode at some point where it will break one way or the other. I don't think a clear break will be the best way to play it. There could be ways of waiting for a return back to value before it takes off. However, if we break 11,324, that does definitely open up the door towards testing somewhere up towards that kind of 11.5, 11.6 zone, maybe even getting as high as somewhere up to the 850 level, which would be getting closer to the 200 period moving average. To the downside, however, we've got the 11.11 and we are being supported by a number of things at the moment. Big round number, previous rejection from sellers down here. Yeah, you could also look at the moving averages as well, but 11,000 is going to be a tough handle to break, and it'll be really only if we break below the the 10.9 level that it becomes significantly bearish. All right, I've drew these three, if you like, upsloping and downsloping combination of trend lines that were all starting to meet at this zone, and yesterday we tagged it. But we're still continuing to trade sideways, so there's no real major reaction looking to develop at the moment. We have to break 11,324 to continue the trend, and we've got to hold 11.11. If we break 11.11, that's the trend defining level gone, and this is no longer a bearish trend. Sorry, a bullish trend. If we take a look at the profile from yesterday, the value area is central. There is pretty long tail to the downside where there was a rejection at the low of the previous day here, it seems. This early oscillation around the point of control was not great. There was no momentum, but there was a momentum based move in the second half of the session towards the close. But still, really, it was trading inside the range of the previous day and didn't really vary that far from this value area. So today the value area high is at 11,189. The value area low is at 144. 40-point value area with a point of control at the value area high pretty much. If we break above that and manage to hold it, we've got a little gap to close. We've got the high of yesterday at 216. Breaking above that does run us into quite a lot of resistance from previous highs and so on. And perhaps the main one really would be this 310 from back here on Friday, I think that was. It might slow things down. And to the downside, we've got the 11,100 low from yesterday, and below that you've got Friday's low of 1147 that could also slow things down. All right, so strategy-wise today, it's probably still staying on range trading until we get a range extension or a break below or above that defined range. So just simply look for opportunities to buy low, sell high until we get a catalyst to break us out of that area. All right, guys, that's me done. I hope you have a good trading day, and we will catch up with you again next time. Take care.